Hello guys, welcome to K1 Repair Center. I'm going to show you how to access your hard drive, external hard drive, if it's a writing protection on it and it don't let you to access. So the customer bring a laptop here and you want to save his picture because the laptop is damaged and you could not repair it. Let me just have a look here. Yeah. As you can see here, recovery. This is the external hard drive for other laptop that we can connect it to our PCs. If I go to the Windows, honestly, if I'm sure you know how to do it. Go to the, and you want to save the pictures or any other documents. Go to User, and this is the gentleman David, and you want to access to this data that able to save the pictures, document, whatever, all the other files. But if I click in that one, of course, do not currently have a permission to access to this folder. Continue. Now it's loading up there to access to the folder. I'm going to show you in a minute when it's load what's going to be happen. So you can see as there you have been denied the permission to access to this folder. To access this folder, need to use the security tab. That is mean if I click the security tab, security, and stay click advanced condition to add the user here to able to access this folder. I press advanced and it's nothing there. So what I want to do, I want to change the owner to able access this folder. If I go click in the change and go into the add the user, find the same desktop name with that one here, draw the same. I do it administration, okay, check the name, okay, now it's here. And I click apply, and you can see here unable to set the new owner on David. This media is write protection. So it's give the easy way, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Cancel, cancel, close it. What I'm going to do, go to your desktop, go to this PC, right mouse click, go to the manage, click on the manage. Let it little bit make it bigger. So go to the disk management. Just a loading. Find the external hard drive when you want access to it. There's the Windows. Click in the Windows where is actually the data is saved into it, pictures, document, whatever. Click the right mouse click. Go to the properties. Go to the customize. Go to the choose. They say here folder picture. You want to change actually the folder picture. Click here, choose the file, and it's open the new Windows. So this is the Windows J. This is the external hard drive that we have connected into it. Now I'm going to the user. Go to the David. But before it could not give up access to it. Go to the David. Now I can from here transfer the data to my desktop. And this is private. If I go to the picture, you can see I can access to the picture. If I go to the document, I can access to the document that I could not go in the normal way. Go to the my computer and access to the user. So now I want to save the picture or document. I'm going to my desktop, created a new folder, and just click and drop and ask you, do you need to provide the administration permission to this folder? Yes, continue. And you can see actually from external hard drive, but I could not transfer from the drive to my PC and I can save it. Just pause it. So sorry guys, it was customer here. So what you can see, I have transferred the documents from there to here that I could not actually access in the normal way. If I want to go here and go to Windows, show you again, user, and David, and continue. it's don't give me access to that one. It's give the way to bypass that, but it's too much work. The easiest way, let me close this now. The easiest way is what I show you, honestly, this way to access to it and transfer your data. Alright, hope this video is help. If any question you got, please drop me comment. I'll try my best to help you. Keep safe. Hopefully see you in next videos. K1 Repair Center.